How's everybody doing? It's good to see half of your pretty faces. It's a good thing for some of you. Usually it's him being rude right off the bat, but... Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. We'll dedicate this to the old crew out there on YouTube land. That's my term I use on my little YouTube channel, doing that off-road recovery stuff. So we're on the road again. On the road again. Just getting wicked on the road again. I love making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Doing things that I may never do again. I can't wait to get on the road again. Those Christmas cookies are a special treat. The more she makes, the more I eat. Sometimes I can't get myself to stop. Sometimes you wait till I'm asleep. She'll take the ones that I didn't eat and put those little sprinkly things on the top. I sure do like those Christmas cookies, sugar. I sure do like those Christmas cookies, babe. She gets mad that they're all gone before she gets any ice to put on, but I sure do like those Christmas cookies, babe.
Oh, how is everybody? Wow. Oh, it's John.
Naughty list.
So how's things working out for you?
Really good.
Really?
Yeah.
Sure. Keep telling yourself that. Some people live in La La Land. John's one. Oh, we want to talk about Lane. All right, let's see if we can get this done. Swing at the top of my lungs. Let's do it again. And I said, ho, 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 ho. I said, ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. I said, ho, 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 ho. Sitting up here at the poles of thrill. Every time I think of the kids, and still I hope for their satisfaction.
Santa Claus, everybody.
I can't hear the banjo.
by your heavenly song. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. As I walk down on the streets of Laredo, as I walk down on Laredo one day, I spied a young cowboy wrapped in white linen, wrapped in white linen and cold as a clay. I see by your outfit that you are a cowboy. These words he did say as I boldly walked by. Come sit down beside me and hear my sad story. Got shot in the breast and I'm dying today. Knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knocking on heaven's door. I'm knocking on heaven's door. Real quick, want to introduce the band. I got Lane Benson over here playing lead guitar. Sean Owens in the back. Ryan Tilby playing bass. I tell you a COVID joke, but you'd take 2 weeks to get it. Okay. And over here on fiddle, we got Drew Williams. You know, I love this guy over here. I love them all. But John Houston. He's probably one of the reasons I even get on stage and sing. We get together and he always pushes me to try a song I don't want to sing. There's a couple of those tonight. And he's been an inspiration. You know, all these guys have really been an inspiration to me. You know, and that's a big reason we're here tonight is because, you know, in life we get blessed tremendously. There's always the challenges, but there's all the blessings. And there's a bucket out there if you guys want to donate. Be as generous as you can, and it all goes to Shop with a Cop. And it's a good cause, and we've tried to do it every year. It's kind of turned into a pretty good tradition for us. So we'll dedicate a song, White Christmas, and just appreciate everybody. Thanks for everybody coming and being part of this. Dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write.